Hey, how hot can you stand your chili? That will be, no doubt, that will be put to the test this weekend, as many of you are going to be heading on out to the annual National Fiery Foods and Barbecue Show.
I like the watered down stuff. Yeah. I admit, I like
Can't do the waiver stuff,
especially
that's for
mild.
sure.
But you may want to break out the milk and honey, because that's all you can rely on when it comes to some of this stuff. Speaking of being on fire, David Romero is out there this morning. David, how you doing, buddy?
Break out the Pepto, Matt. I'm going to need it when I get back. I'm joined by two legends this morning, Mr. Dave DeWitt with the National Fiery Foods and Barbecue Show, and of course Mr. TJ Trout, a legend in broadcasting, and fire on both ends here.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get into
Okay.
it. Dave, what are we looking at this weekend?
We're looking at about 1,000 different products for tasting and buying, all different kinds of hot sauces, snacks, salsas, you name it. But a new addition to the show is Yoder Smokers, coming in as a sponsor. They have these high-tech pellet smokers that you can basically load the pellets, put in the meat, and punch the temperature in, and come back 5 hours later it'll all be done. So we welcome Yoder Smokers, and along with them, we have now high-powered barbecue sauces, like this one from K-John's. This is their Scorpion barbecue sauce, and you have to taste this, but very small amount. But also with us, we have TJ.
Hi.
What's up with you?
Yes, I have written a book, and this is what I want you to buy at the Fiery Food Show this weekend. I'll be signing them, selling them. I need to support my my retirement habit, so please.
Fishing with My Fly Down is his book. You gonna try that, David?
Well, and you know what's great about that is that, TJ in that book is going to talk about his adventures in fishing and, food. I mean, that's what this is all about. And
of course, a little bit about 94 Rock.
94 Rock.
Yeah, a little bit.
His
Yeah.
crazy adventures throughout life. You know, this little tiny bit right here, take a look, guys. That little tiny amount is supposed to be just almost lethal.
Yeah, almost.
Good luck with that.
Okay, if I can't talk at 8 o'clock, you guys know why.
We'll fill in. It's coming. It's coming. Getting there.
It's coming. Yeah, there it is. You know what? I tell you what, if you marinate your meat and your food with it, you're going to have a great meal. You know what? I might just do the whole spoon.
You crazy.
No, next hour we'll do that. But we're going to have more from you for you here from the Fiery Food Show coming up throughout the morning. This is really good, and if you can stand it, I'd say go for it. Have more. Back to you guys.